Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be testing Jess Hunt's new REFY brow collection. So if you want to see like first impressions, what I think of the products, then please keep watching, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so with the products, I did only actually buy 2 things, not all 3. So I bought the brow pencil in the shade 2 and also the like brow gel or the brow sculpt, and it's just like a one colour fits all type of thing. So first thing to note is that the packaging is really nice. It's quite like simplistic, quite minimalistic, but like feels like really nice quality, and this is all vegan and cruelty free, which I think is amazing. So yeah, like I'm really excited to try these out. I follow Jess Hunt for ages on Instagram, like her brows are amazing, so I thought why not try to get my brows to look like hers, you know. So I was really excited when her collection came out, so obviously purchased it. I didn't buy the pomade just because I feel like sometimes the pomades can make my brows look a bit like cakey, if that makes sense. I thought a pencil might be able to give me a bit more of like a natural look, natural definition. So yeah, these are £14 each and £3.99 for shipping, so I didn't actually think it was that bad. Like I spend I think it's like £28 on my Benefit pencil, so I think it's actually an alright price. I think £14 is quite good for a brow pencil and for a brow gel. So yeah, really excited to try this, so I will stop speaking and we'll go give this a go and I'll show you how it sort of turns out. Okay, so I've just zoomed you in and I thought that might be the easiest way for you to like actually see in detail how it goes. Let me tip you back a bit so you can actually like see full brows. Okay, cool, that's a bit better. So I'll quickly just undo the products. So this is the pencil, like super skinny. It says REFY on it as well. Has a brush at one end, which is great, and then also it comes with a really fine tip pen point. I don't know if you can really see that, but really fine tip pen. So as I said, I got the shade 2 because my brows are quite dark in comparison to my hair, so I just thought that'd be the best shade to go. And then the brow sculpt, well, I've just actually written this packaging. The brow sculpt, so you pull it off and it's got like this double-ended brush thing, and then you pull it out and you've got the brow gel. So on the videos I've seen, the brow gel does come out white, but if you keep sort of running the product through your brows, it will eventually like go clear, if that makes sense. So we'll give this a go. I think to start with I'm just gonna like brush my brows out using this little brush thing. So I did actually get my brows laminated like 3 weeks ago now, and they've not like held like massively, do you know what I mean? Like they're still a little bit up, but they're not like exactly how they were when I first got them done, which is obviously fair enough. So they are quite long, my hairs, because obviously they were laminated to look like thicker, if that makes sense. But even from the brush, like they look quite like bushy and like better than, I don't know, my eyebrows were. So next I'll just go in with the brow sculpt. So it's quite a big wand, kind of like a mascara wand. So I think just sort of like run this through your brows. I think also like the thing is some of my brow hairs are quite long like at the front, and I don't actually want them completely stuck up, if that makes sense. And also this brow, like I don't have as much hair at like the end of the tail, so I think that will have to be drawn in with the pencil. So we'll just give it a go. So that's them like stuck up, so that automatically has like made such a big difference. Like look how much thicker they are. If I come close you can see they look kind of like, I don't know, just a bit thicker, and I really do think a brow can completely change your face, so yeah, exciting. Okay, so next we'll move on to brow pencil. I'm just gonna fill these in with like little line strokes, and then yeah, we'll sort of go from there. So I'm not really used to like filling my brows out in lines. I'm normally used to like just creating a shape and going from there. So I mean, I'll give it my best shot, but I quite like the natural like fluffy brow instead of, you know, how like I normally do my brow in like harsh lines, if that makes sense. But yeah, I've been really enjoying having like a fluffy brow, and I think from having my brow lamination it's just like almost, I don't know, confirmed it for me that I quite like a big, thick, full, fluffy brow. And then we'll do some up here. Okay, so I think that is basically how I would do my brows. I'll quickly like brush them out with this end just to set them in place. But you know what, I'm actually really impressed with those products. So first of all, oops, sorry, just knocked you. So first of all, like the brow sculpt, it really has held my brows in place. They feel like quite stuck down, and I feel like sometimes with my Benefit brow gel, they do sort of move throughout the day, but I feel like these are quite in place and like they can be there for the rest of the day, so that's really good. And then also with the brow pencil, I think the tip is so fine, so you can actually create little hairs. I'll just come a little bit closer so you can see like a little bit more up front. Apologies if I've got like spots or anything, I don't really care. But yeah, so if I come closer, like they do look quite full and quite thick, but like natural looking, if that makes sense. Like they don't look like I've like thickly drawn them on. They look quite natural, quite fluffy, quite thick. So I think for £14 each, this is such good quality and price. I'm really impressed with the products, definitely love them. I think this will be my new brow go-to. So I am really like pleasantly surprised, because I didn't know if it would kind of be one of those things that an influencer brings out, everyone buys, jumps to the bandwagon, but products quality is not always that good, do you know what I mean? But obviously Jess Hunt is like got amazing eyebrows, so I was really excited and like really was hoping her products would live up to like her brows, and they really honestly have. Like I'm so happy with how these have turned out. And yeah, I think I found new favourite brow products, and I definitely think they're very affordable for the quality of the products. So yeah, I mean, I would definitely say get these. So if I come back closer from like a little bit far away, I think this has definitely added like thickness to my brows. Like, they look a lot thicker. Yeah, I mean, I know this is quite a quick video, but I just wanted to just quickly test the products, show you guys what they look like on, and sort of just tell you my opinions on them. And my opinions are great. I think these are really good products, good quality. Packaging was nice, like came quite quickly in delivery wise. And yeah, I think they've really made a difference to my brow. They kind of give that laminated effect without like actually laminating your brows, which can be quite drying, which I found. But obviously if you use coconut oil, it stops the drying them outness bit. But yeah, I feel like this has made such a difference to my brows. I think they look a lot thicker, a lot more like natural, and like a lot more like naturally full. So I am really happy with them, and I'd really recommend these products to you guys if you are looking for that like fluffy natural brow look. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little video anyway, a little video / review. If you did enjoy this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you next time.